Hello my people, in this video we will see how to withdraw money from SBI ATM using UPI. The first pass and the most important is going to search this in Google. Well, we have a step by and a step guide. Well, the first pass, locate UPI ATM. Go to an SBI ATM that supports the UPI cash withdrawal or ICCW feature. Pass to select option. On the ATM screen, choose the UPI cash withdrawal or QR code cash option. Pass 3, enter amount. Input the desired cash amount, for example, this. Scan QR code. A dynamic QR code will appear on the ATM screen. Open your preferred UPI app, for example Google Play, PhonePay, Paytm, on your phone and use its scanner to scan this QR code. Authorize. In the app, select the bank account you want to debit and enter your UPI PIN to authorize the payment. Pass 6 and the ultimate, call it cash. The ATM will validate the transaction and dispense the cash instantly. We have 4K points. Cardless. This method eliminates the need for a physical debit card, say Razorpay, Google Pay, and ClearTax. Security. It's secure as it relies on your UPI PIN for authorization. Limit. There are transaction limit, often up to this per transaction, stay Paytm and ClearTax. Availability. Ensure the ATM support this feature and it's not available at all ATMs. Notes will play help. And that's all for today's video. If you like it, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.